Hello guys, this is one of the most advanced, latest flagship version of Xtooltech. This is XT90. It is very advanced. It has the main feature of auto scan. So that means it is connected to the tablet. So the first thing you need to do is always to do the update. But today I'm not going to do the updating. Now let's do a diagnosis of this vehicle. It's Honda. The 16-pin connector is general. The Civic 5D, that's the model of this vehicle. So let's do a auto scan first. All system scan. So as you can see, there is a topping map for that. It will take some time. It shows you all the functions in the way of a topping map. So now all the checking has been done. There's one, looks like there's two number of DTCs. Let's see, DTC report. So there is a electric vacuum pump and anti-lock brake ABS. Let's see what we can do. Okay, that's the report. Save the report. Now exit.